Hey guys, hey, welcome back to my channel. So for the video, if you didn't see the title already, I received a CERAVE box. It came in the mail and I was like, I don't remember signing up. How the heck did they get my address? But I'm so excited. This is a PR box. I cannot wait to open it up and see what they sent me. But before we do, please like, subscribe, and share. Comment down below, have you ever tried CERAVE? Do you like CERAVE? I don't think I've ever tried CERAVE, so I'm super excited to see what they sent me. I'm going to show you guys. I have yet to open it. I'm super excited. It is a mystery for me. So far, there's a thing in here. It says, ooh, anti-dandruff hydrating shampoo. Maybe I'm getting a hair set. CERAVE has hair? Oh, we're about to find out. Okay, this is the box. This is CERAVE little sticker logo. I'm gonna break the seal. Hold on. Ooh. Okay, they sent a bunch of goodies. We're gonna go through this. Everything they sent. So yes, if you're looking for a super cute and adorable bedding nursery set, highly recommend you check out West Elm. They sent me this adorable set that I'm going to use on the new baby. We've had a bit of a leakage problem owning a home and all that stuff, so I haven't been able to set up the baby's nursery yet, but I had to show you guys the cute adorableness of this collection. It is their safari. It has all these animals, and guys, the quality is absolutely amazing. Look at the detail of the fitted sheet. It is so cute, and the quilt that you will see is so nice. I cannot wait to set up the nursery. I'm going to definitely show you guys once that's ready. And the little mobile, my 1-year-old absolutely loved it. I had to put him in here because he was so excited when he saw it. Highly recommend. I'm absolutely blown away by this collection. They did send me their hair care line. That's what it is, hair care. So I'm super excited. They sent me a gentle hydrating shampoo and conditioner set. It is a gentle and effectively the conditioner is gentle and effectively conditions without disrupting the scalp barrier. Leaves hair healthy and soft. And the shampoo, it is a gentle and effectively cleanses without disrupting the scalp barrier. Leaves hair healthy and soft. They are sulfate-free, mite-free, paraben-free, and fragrance-free. Super excited. And then the next thing they sent is the anti-dandruff shampoo and conditioner, which I actually need that. I get a lot of dandruff. Oh, that means it was meant to be. The sticker came off. I get a lot of dandruff, so this is definitely really good. It eliminates 100% of visible flakes without disrupting the scalp barrier, and this is the same thing. So I'm definitely going to test this out, hopefully before I edit and post this video, to let you guys know, because this anti-dandruff I 100% need. Then, ooh, there's some cute little boxes. We have this. What is these? Little boxes. Nothing on it. It is, a little light, a little like portable. Like I have to charge it, I think, but it says CERAVE, and it has the charger inside. And then there's this little thingamajig. What is this? Guys, it says CERAVE, and then it has this. Does anybody know what this is? Okay, Casey Grippy for MagSafe. Grippy is a safe, MagSafe compatible foam mount designed for convenience. Its suction cups securely fastens to any clean, flat, glossy surface like mirrors and windows. With the portable magnet, your phone effortlessly attaches to Grippy. Oh, as a magnet, so if I put on my phone, without the case, obviously, then I can like put it, and do my little videos. Okay. And then last but not least, they sent me a t-shirt. cute. This is a Saturday Night Live 50th anniversary one. That's so cute. It's anti-dandruff hydrating shampoo, and then it talks about all about it, and it says no more dandruff. No more dandruff. This is cute. This definitely we're wearing to go to sleep with my freshly shampooed hair with no more dandruff. So anyways, that was my PR box. I'm super excited about it. I didn't even know I was getting it, so I'm like, what? Thank you to CERAVE for sending me all these goodies. And if you guys have ever tried their products, now they have a hair care line, which is new, so definitely go check them out. And I definitely want to try their skincare. So CERAVE is watching. I would love some of your skincare so I can try it out myself. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Have a good day, afternoon, or evening, whichever time you're watching. Like always, please stay safe out there. Bye now.